just double check everything, make sure that it is good. Grief, everything is going crazy over here. So we are checking Twitch to make sure that nope, we are not doing that. We are, let's do just chatting. Alrighty. Information saved. Let's check it out. Just chatting, fantastic. So everything looks like it's a go. All right, so I'm sure you're wondering, just like everybody else wonders, what do I do for fun? How do I play? Aside from playing Minecraft or... yeah, aside from playing Minecraft, that's really all people see me do online is play Minecraft and trade. Is that all I do? Pretty much, yes. Yes, it is. So what do I do for fun, you might wonder? This is what I do for fun now. I enter the replay. We have Forex Tester, which I do for, this is like school. This is where I go to class. I open Forex Tester and I run some simulations and I test my technique, because you don't sweat the technique, you got to get it down. But what do I do for fun? Even though this is kind of fun, sometimes this can be very frustrating as well, going in the Forex Tester. Sometimes I like to play loose, I like to shoot from the hip, I like to just go with it. So I'll take trading view. I'll go into the replay and I'll shrink this down so that it's not really noticeable, and then I'll just pick away at it. I won't even really pay attention to the days, just kind of oh, that's the 1 hour. Let's go down to the 1 minute, because that'll make it more fun. Wait, take me to the 1 minute, man. Good grief. Alright, so let's reset this. I want to leave because I want to do this. So we go to the 1 minute and now it's you can barely even recognize it, which is perfect. That's just what we want. And then we'll just start chopping away, not even really paying attention to what is going on. Here, where are we? The 30th? It's January 24th. It just keeps resetting us. Why is it doing this? Alright, so let's 24. Okay, something's going on here and I don't like it. Okay, there we go. So let's go to December. So we are now in December. Let's go a little bit more. Let's just have a lot of fun with this. Let's take it back to here. December. Let's see if we can get the 1 minute chart now. Okay, alright. Alright. We'll do the 5 minute chart. And it doesn't really matter the chart, because this is fun. This is game time. This is high or low. That's what we're playing, high or low. So I'll just use these boxes for the highs and the lows, and that is all I will do. I'll kind of go off on let's say just right here. So this is the high, this is the low. We broke through the low, so what are we gonna do? Let's play ball. And I'll just hit play, and I'll watch the chart, and we'll just see where it goes. So it looks like we are testing the London low, and right here was the test, so I could have got in right there, but you know, we're just having fun. We're trying to not so much guess, we're trying to read the price action. We're using some kind of support and resistance, but nothing too accurate, kind of just trying to eyeball it. So here it is, we're coming up again. I'm gonna go ahead and sell. Probably put in another sell right here, and then I'll just throw out orders. Actually, this is probably not the best place to get in, but some people trade here. And look, I would already have made 590, 930. So now we are in the Tokyo session, and I'm gonna go ahead and close pretty soon. Probably should have closed. I would like it to see come down to the New York low to retest that. Nice bounce off of there. But it looks like $9. Okay, there we go. We're getting that push down that we're looking for. Just a little bit more. And then once London opens, we will really go in. And I'll do this for like an hour a day. Just kind of if things get stressful at home and I start getting overwhelmed and the house gets too messy and I start losing my mind a little bit, I'll just come in here and I'll run some drills. There we go. We're coming down to the New York. Looks like we're going to test the low. And there we go. Bam, close. So that's what I'll do. And then I'll just wait. Let's see, we're going. I'll start buying here. And I'll put in another buy right here. Looks like we are bouncing off. And then I'll put another buy right there. Yeah, I'll buy that again. Buy that. That would have been a great place to buy. Let me make this a little bigger so we can see where I'm buying and selling. And then I'll buy here. Looks like we're going to either get another bounce here or we're going to break through and I'm going to be in a lot of trouble. Looks like it might be a nice day. There we go. I will probably buy more. Yep, good thing I did that. Oh, I should have bought there too. New York's opening. Oh, ooh, okay, I'm I'm playing with fire now. I'm gonna close it soon because I am not liking. Yeah, this is not good. I mean, I could probably close. I'm gonna close. Yep, I should have closed. So now I gotta wait for it to come back, and it looks like it's not coming back. I think I messed up. All right, let's talk about this. Perfect opportunity here. Perfect opportunity here. Perfect opportunity here. Perfect opportunity could have. Okay, so there was so much going on, and I'll be honest. What happened was one of the 3 Fs: fight, flight, or freeze. And I chose to freeze. As soon as I got to this point, this would have been a spectacular place to close and just started trading with New York. I didn't do that. So the next thing I could have done, bought here, closed, or bought here, closed, bought here, closed. Because obviously it's not going any higher. And in fact, it went lower, lower, lower. It looks like it's going to try to go up, but we may be retesting this area right here and gearing up for a rejection. So what do I do when I'm faced with a decision that has to be made? Well, obviously I freeze. I froze all right here, all through the New York Open, and now through the rest of New York. And I just completely froze like deer in the headlights. And here comes the truck and smashed right into me. I'm down 61. If I close now, I would be negative $11. All right, so what do I want to do? It's retesting the low again, retesting the London low. It looks like it's bouncing up, so there is hope. I could hold and close at break even, or I could just see if price comes back, which would make me a happy camper. So we're touching. Okay, we've touched down. Is it going to come back up? I don't think it is. I think I'm done. Yep. So let's assume we have an account here that has plenty of money. So money is no object right now. So it's not about the money. It's about what do I do at this point that I am $200 in and I want to get out. What are my options? The first option is the obvious option. I can just close, but I don't want to lose money. My next option would be, this looks like the next area that it's going to retest. It's going to break and then it's going to come up and retest here. Now, when is that going to happen? It could happen in Tokyo. It could happen in London. So if I start averaging my way out to break even, I'm going to be in this trade for a while. I think I'm going to try to average my way out. So let's go ahead and open an order here. Actually, this one's going to have to be a bigger order. Let's open another one. And then we can, if it comes down again, open there. Trying to average my way out, trying to bring this price, trying to bring it down. Okay, now we are in the Sydney session right here. Price, our loss is getting smaller. I mean, it's definitely not 200, but hey, it could get worse. This is risky. This is foolish right now, what I'm doing. Yeah, see, because you really don't know what price is going to do to you. And the bigger this gets, the closer this gets, but the bigger your loss can get. There we go. Ooh, man, I can buy down here. And just keep hoping and praying. Oh, I missed that one. So what we're playing up against right here is we are playing against the New York low, and we're hoping that we can get a bounce up to at least here, the Tokyo high. So we're at the New York low right now. All we need is a bounce. Are we gonna get it, or are we gonna be in big trouble? This looking good. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So we might be able to get out of this with, okay, done. We're out. That was a relief. I gotta tell you, even though this was fake, it's not, I wasn't even really focused on the money, because as you see, as soon as it crossed that line, I closed it. I was like, I'm closing it as soon as we get out. But you can see it took us almost 2 whole sessions, the New York session and the Tokyo session, like half of the Tokyo session, to reach this point where we could get out of this nice and easy. So here we can reset now. Okay, we're out. We're testing Tokyo high. New York high is way up here, so I'm not concerned with that yet. Right now, I think we are in the, oh yeah, London is open. And just based on the way price is going, I'm going to sell. So let's go ahead and sell here. Oh, nice. Nicely done. Sell here. Comes up again. We will sell it. Looks like, oh, there we go. I want to sell that. I should have sold that. I would like to sell that. We're just going to keep on selling and start taking our stop losses and take profits. So based on this, price is gonna, I'm guessing price is gonna retest here before it either bounces up or down. So this is where I'm gonna set my take profit. And if it keeps bouncing up, we're gonna sell it, bouncing up, sell it until it hits this point, or it goes to here and gets us wrecked. So we want to be at about, let's just say $90, just to give us space to work with, so that we can either average our way out of a loss or just keep buying in. And it looks like we may get what we want. I'll sell that. Comes up again. I will sell that too. No, looks like we're just gonna have to. Okay, good. Sell this. Alright. We're looking for that. There we go. We got it. Oh, that is nice. So the long tail stop, didn't even have to use it. We didn't have to average our way out. We were just that one just fell right into our laps. So I still think it's going to come down a little bit more. So let's wait and see what happens before New York wakes up. Oh, here comes New York. Oh man, whoa. Okay, this was probably a huge news event. This kind of volatility can only be news. So we got a big move down back to the low again, and then just a jump. So what do we want to do? We can see prices going up right here, and then obviously prices going up again. So we don't necessarily have a higher high, kind of just a bounce off of support. But I'm gonna look to buy. I think I'm gonna buy. When the opportunity comes, I will buy in. That would have been a good spot right there. Ooh, that would have been a great spot. Okay, right here. Right here. There we go. Now New York is officially this cash open. Let's keep pushing those. There we go. We are up above water and we are swimming. I'll buy that. Buy that. Should have bought that. Okay, we are testing the London high. I'm going to close now. Bam, there we go. Look at that. So this is what I do for fun. This is how I relax. This is how I take my mind off of when I feel anxious, when I feel overwhelmed. I just come in and I play a little bit of we'll call this game the buy or sell game. I just do a little bit of buying and selling. Am I going to buy? Am I going to sell? Am I going to buy? Am I going to sell? And you can see how fun it is. You don't worry about the money. You don't worry about the lot size. You don't worry about how much you're winning or how much you're losing. You kind of just want to see green, and you want to buy at the right time. You want to sell at the right time. You want to close at the right time. This is more of an exercise and a drill in making good entries, learning how to read the market, learning how to flow, not thinking too much, because when you overthink things, you tend to make very bad trades when you think too much. And so this allows you to do all that. This is like meditation. This is like I'm just kind of going with it. I'm not really thinking too hard. I'm saying like, okay, the market's going up, so I'll wait for a pullback and then I'll get in. Oh, the market's gone up this much now, so I think we're due for a little bit of a retracement, so I will start selling. Things like that. So I'm not looking back way far. I'm kind of just looking one session at a time. So I got Tokyo, London, New York, and it looks like price is moving up. So I'm gonna just flow with it. It's relaxing. I feel good now. I feel better. I was having such a hard day. I was having such a hard day, and there was just a rough weekend. Had a really rough weekend, and today was kind of hard. A lot of I'm changing my computer setup yet again because that just stuff happens, and you just got to rearrange things. And so there's that. I had to finish doing dishes. I got to do laundry. I got to vacuum. I didn't get to vacuum today, and that kind of annoys me. But I'll just do it tomorrow. I was supposed to go to a beekeeping seminar today, and we forgot about that. So that's kind of a bummer too. The brakes are thumping. There's a lot of stuff going on, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. And when I do, I need a release. I need some kind of distraction. I need some kind of comfort, something I can do that's not scroll. I don't like doom scrolling, because doom scrolling does not make me feel good. when I'm doom scrolled for like 2 hours straight and I snap out of it and I'm like, what have I done for the last 2 hours? I just don't even remember anything that I looked at. It's just that's depressing. So this is what I do. I play buy or sell. And I highly recommend this to anybody out there. Anybody who's trading, anybody new to Forex, do this. When you're bored, when you got nothing better to do, when you have a minute to spare, when you're looking to sharpen your edge, do this. Play, buy, or sell. And you don't worry about the money you're making. You don't worry about how much money is how much you have here. You don't worry about that. You just worry about, am I going up or am I going down? Am I going up or am I going down? That's really it. And it's fun. So fun. So I'm going to wait for the pullback and then I'll start buying again. We'll pull back off of the London high. If it hits there, yep, going to start buying. Hopefully it goes a little bit lower and I will keep buying it up. Come on, get down there, get down. Yeah. Oh. Want it to go down, right? That's good. That's a good one. If it goes down lower, I will buy that. Let's keep buying this. Can we get it lower? Nope. I think this is as low as we're gonna get for a while. Okay, we got Sydney. Let's buy it again. And we're just waiting for Tokyo to open. Probably buy that. Nope, too late. Yeah, let's buy that. Let's just keep buying it. I'm just a trading machine. And it looks like we might start seeing some green. We got some green there. A little bit of green. Oh, that's a good price to get. Come on, can we go a little bit lower? So it's like right in the middle too. This is what are we looking at? Are we gonna come down and then go up, or is price just ready to go up? And what are we gonna do about it? I think we're gonna keep buying. Let's keep buying. Ooh, it's testing the... Alright, I'll buy that for $1. Excellent. Let's get a nice... Okay, now, this is, what, 12 o'clock? Alright, so 1 hour, 1 o'clock. Probably buy this. What do we got going for us? Looks like we may be testing the London low. And London is online. What do you got for me, London? You got another bounce? Come on, show me that bounce to the ounce. Let's do this. No, he's trying to give me a good price. All right, London. Let's get that good price. All right, so there we go. We are testing the Tokyo low. And will it break? That's the question. Will it break? Now you might be giving us another chance. So let's buy it. Let's take that chance. This is the last stop before the rocket. I think now we're kind of just averaging ourselves out of this trade because Oh no, that hurt. What do we have? We got some kind of news event just came in and wrecked us. Yike. Oh, whoa. Oh, what is happening? I don't care as long as we get out of this mess. So let's try and average our way out. Okay, let's bring that price down. Oh, you know, this would have been a great place to get in. We're going back to the low of New York. Price is going up, and we may be in this for a long time. And we're just waiting. Oh, it is a range now. We touched the bottom. We broke New York. Oh, we broke, what was that? Yeah, we broke the New York low. And then New York opened. We got the high. And then touched the low again. And now we're kind of in the middle. It's gonna take some time. Little girl, you're in the middle. Love the ride. And everything will be just fine. Let's keep buying ourselves out of this hole. So we are working our way up to the high of New York, so we might be able to make it. And if we make it, I will be one happy camper. I would even be happy to close just a little bit closer to break even. And hopefully I get that chance in Tokyo. I'm gonna close. Why did I do that? All right, so let's look at that. I pushed the wrong button here. I meant to say I'm gonna buy again, but I accidentally pushed the button to close that trade, which wasn't a bad thing because we have been in this trade way too long. Look at all these buy orders. This probably would have been the place to get out. One of these places would have been great to get out. Even here would have been spectacular to get out. But this is good enough. So we are in Tokyo now. I think what happened here was I just went crazy with the buying. And at what point was it obvious that this was a fail? Was it here? Was it here? Or was it here when it didn't make another high? Must have been here. Because this still could have gone up. So there is definitely, in this area, there's definitely an area that I should have been looking out for right here, that it just couldn't break. And then it came below and then hit it again and then down. That's it. That's another reason why this is good exercise, because you'll notice things like this. You're like, oh yeah, so it hit here, and then it just didn't go any higher. So yeah, obviously, once all this happened, the remaining result is just a breach into the lower area. Back to, or it even broke support. So let's keep the ball moving. Because why? Because this is fun. This is what we do for fun. This is like an arcade game. This is like Pac-Man or Galaga. It's like Pong. We're watching the price go bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing. And then you try to hit it up or you try to hit it down. It's a game. Basically what it is just it's a game. So let's keep playing. Let's try to get that high score and try to figure out where is price moving. Is price moving up? Or is this just the move up before the next leg down? I'm thinking it might be the move up before the next leg down. So when London comes, I'm definitely going to be eyeballing that sell button. Just waiting for London to happen. And I might be a little less happy with that trigger finger. All right, I'm gonna go in with a sell here. Let's try scalping a little bit, shall we? Let's take profit right about here, and then our stop loss right about up here. Give us time to average out if we need to. And let's go in again. If it goes higher, yes, go higher. That's exactly what I want you to do right there. Okay, so we'll go in there and everything checks out. Here comes London. I'm probably gonna close it. Nope, never mind. Because London did exactly what it was supposed to do. So let's keep selling. Let's sell here. Definitely want to sell when it gets higher. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Why did I don't even know why I did that. Let's take profit will be right here again. And our stop loss will be up here. Give us enough time to work our way out if we need to. Let's see, what am I happy losing? 50 bucks, yeah. We are in and we are out. Let's sell here. Uh-oh, maybe I shouldn't have sold there. Looks like we're climbing. Did I misread you? London, did I misread you? I think I may have misread her. So I will be looking to get out of this as soon as I can. I know I said that I'm going to get out of it as soon as I can, but I just got a good feeling about it. And I think I would like to just wait it out and let it rip. Oh, it's kind of fun, isn't it? And even the losses are like, because it's not serious, but the feeling of winning and losing, that's serious. Because when we're in a bad trade, like here and we're trying to get out and then we just get out at like a negative $140 loss, or we're in a bad trade over here when we finally manage to average our way out, it feels great, doesn't it? It just feels great. But even closing and even losing, and you're just like, what did I do? Why did I act stupid? Why was I not in my right mind to do this trade? Why? I should have done better. I could have been better. And we can see here that we got 1 touch, 2 touch, kind of a 3rd touch, 4 touch. So what does that tell us? Is it going to bounce up? Or are we finally gonna, is it trying to break down? I think it might be trying to break down. So we're gonna keep an eye on London and see what it does during New York. Okay, so we got the London high, London low. We got a little bit of a resistance area right here. I think I might sell. I don't know, really feeling that sell. Let's push that, push that. This isn't. All right, it is working out. Oh, it is working out nicely. Let's sell this. Sell this. I'm getting a little bit of trigger happy with the sell button. There we go. We got the test of resistance. Now will it break? That's the question. Sell it. We got a second test at resistance. Uh-oh, I think we got the break. And I might be in trouble here. Okay, let's see what happened before we continue any further. So we were looking here. We have the oh, okay, now I see what happened. I was looking at this and I saw it bounce up and then bounce up again and then bounce off, and this is when I thought price was going to go down for sure, but it came back on us. I still think price may go down, so I'm not going to close yet. I'm gonna wait it out and keep averaging in. I missed that one. A little too slow with the button that time. May have to close. Not getting a good feeling here. Not getting a good feeling. Sydney with the range. Bringing that range pain. And Tokyo, what will you bring us? You gonna test the high? I don't like when that does that. Yep, you are testing the high, aren't you? May have been a perfect time to get out earlier. Still might be a chance. So what I'm finding is that I really don't like getting stuck in these long trades. These long trades really mess up the flow. So we got to start thinking, how do we prevent getting in these long trades? How do we stop this? Because we kind of just start throwing the sells around. There's an opportunity to close and make money, but we never take it. I think one of the problems is we don't set the stop loss. We don't set the take profit, and we're kind of just winging it. And that's not good. That's bad. Very bad, because that then allows us to get greedy, allow our greed to take over. We don't execute. We do that thing where we freeze again and we just kind of watch the price. So we got to start using logical target areas. So where is a logical area for us to close this trade? I think if we get up to this point, then we are lost, because we don't want to be in a trade that long. That's $223. And then our logical take profit is obviously, let's make it break even, because we just want to get out. We don't even care anymore. We just want this pain to end. That's really all we're looking for. Also, do we want to keep averaging in so that we could bring this price up a little bit in hopes that the price will come down a little bit more? At this point, I don't really want to. I kind of just want to get it over with one way or another. So we're gonna see how much lower the price can get. Come on, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What do you got for me? We are testing the New York high, and it's not looking good for your hero. It's not looking good at all. That is a major bummer. Went in heavy with the trigger. Just sold. So we already discussed where we went wrong. We didn't have a logical take profit or a stop loss. I think we were like in the middle here. So this would have been perfect area to sell or to close, and this would have been a perfect area to get stopped out at. But instead we stopped out way up here. And now we are testing the high. Looks like it might go higher. Let's see what London has to offer. Which looks like we may be buying. I'm gonna go ahead and start buying. Buy. Oh man, why did I do that? Let's see, at this rate we could probably get ourselves out of the hole. Alright, I'm gonna get up. Now we are pretty much break even, which makes me happy. I am a happy camper for this. So let's see what London does, and that'll help us make our decision what we'll do when New York opens. Now we're testing this area right here. Didn't exactly make a new high. Oh, did we? No, not quite. Oh man, news. What was it? I wonder what the news was on this day to cause such a ridiculous candle to just show up. And then we got here, so we didn't make a higher high. Then we have price break back down to this level again. Retested, reject. Let's see if it tests again before London opens. I mean, before New York opens. There we go. And yeah, New York, looks like New York is a sell because we are at the bottom. It's gonna test the low and probably get rejected. So let's start selling. Okay, sell it. We are selling the green candles. Sell it. Uh-oh, we are getting happy with the trigger. Got that itchy trigger finger. Gotta lay off it. It will give us nothing but pain. You know what? So busy with that trigger finger that I didn't even realize. Price looks like it's going up. We bounced off of this area, bounced off the low, and we're going up. Now we're testing the high, the New York high, which we just broke that, but let's see if it can continue, because then we got to test this area next, and this is the real big area that we're looking at right here. This chunk right there. So let's not make the same mistake we did before. Let's make our take profit. Let's give ourselves a logical stop loss if it breaks this area. If it breaks above here, then we know that we're done. It's over. market is done for. That would have been a good place to sell. So it's not making a new high yet. Hit, reject, hit, reject, hit, reject, hit, reject. But it is moving up. So we gotta watch out for that. Goes building steam. All right, so now I'm gonna start looking for a place to get out, because this is doesn't look like we're gonna be successful with this one. So the closer we can get it to here, the happier I will get, because I definitely do not want to let it go to stop loss. And it looks like we might not get the opportunity. I may have blown it. Testing New York high, but doesn't have quite enough momentum. It's getting closer. Just keep coming. Keep coming, baby. Come on. Just a little bit further. Come on. You got this. You got this. No. No, no, no. Not that way. Yeah, that's the right way. That's no, not that. That's the right way. Okay, just a little bit closer. You are so close. Just come on. All right. Oh, come on. I just need you. Look at that, so close. And we are almost. Oh, you know what? I should probably just close it. Oh man, you are such a tease. All right. There we go. Done. I'm out. Whew, man, 20 cents gained, but peace of mind is priceless. And now we can get back into trading. I hate getting stuck in those really, really long trades where you know you don't feel good about it. I hate it. Because you don't win. You get stuck. And there's a lot of hoping and a lot of sweet talking. You know when you know you're in trouble when you start sweet talking the market. When you're talking about just a little bit closer. Come on, just give me a peck on the cheek. How about that? You know you're in trouble. You know things are not good when you're whispering sweet nothings to the candles. That's the worst place you could find yourself in. And then what do I get? For all that hard work, what do I get? 20 cents in profit. Well, there's my commission. There's my swap fee right there. Man, but I tell you, you want to forget about your problems? You want to forget about what you're worried about? Just do a little bit of the buy or sell. Open trading view, hit that replay button, and just pick some random place to start. And this is what we do. This is video games for us. This is relaxing. This is meditation. This is drills. This is exercise. This is I don't know. This is it. This is the rest of my life. I can see it now. I'm surprised they don't have a video game for this. Or is there a Roblox? I'm sure there is. There's got to be like a Roblox stonk game. But yeah, that's it. That was it's about an hour. And it went by pretty fast, actually. I can't believe that it's already been an hour. And if you do this 1 hour a day, I do this more than like an hour a day. But if you do it an hour a day, I mean, there's no possible way you can't get better. No possible way. As soon as I'm done streaming too, I'll probably just keep going. There's no reason for me to stop. Got a couple trades in on the euro right now that I'm waiting to see which way they go, and hopefully they go my way. But one of the worst things you can say while trading is hopefully. I would much rather be in a trade where I'm confident of the direction and confident either that I'm winning or losing, because I don't like hoping. You don't hope, you hustle. Who said that? There was a comedian I heard that said that, and it was really, really powerful. Can't remember. Man, I'll try to remember, because he's a brilliant comedian. Ali Sadiq, that's what it was. Funny guy. Really smart too. Don't hope, hustle. So that's what this is. If some people are out there breaking their back working, hustling that way, some people are trying to get better at trading, hustling. I don't hope, I hustle, so I get better at trading. This is how I hustle. So yeah, I guess you can look at it. This isn't a game. This is my hustle, and I'm out on the basketball court working on my dribbling, working on my free throws, working on my dunks, working on my layups. That's what this is. That's what you're witnessing, and that's what you should be doing too. If you're not running drills, if you're not practicing, if you're not exercising, if you're not in the market playing around, are you really a trader? I don't know, because I've only been doing this for 1.5 years, so who am I to say? All I know is that this is fun. And with all that, viewer in the back, thanks so much for hanging out. I hope this was exciting for you, and I hope you had as much fun as I did, because it was a lot of fun. You'll learn a lot. And of course, to everybody else that stopped by, thanks so much. I hope you had a great time. And of course, always remember, neurons that wire together fire together. I can't believe I messed up my own tagline. Neurons that fire together wire together. I'll see you next time. Good grief. Can't believe I messed up my own catchphrase. Can't believe I did that. But I did. It's alright. I am only a man.